Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. One of the biggest misconceptions in bridal fashion is that wedding dress has to be heavily embellished to look expensive. The truth is, a simple A-line wedding dress can look incredibly luxurious with the right styling. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some easy ways to elevate a simple A-line gown. So please make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know which gown on this video is your favorite and why. The first and the most important tip is tailoring. Honestly, nothing makes a dress look more expensive than a perfect fit. Professional alterations can help your gown fit beautifully and also create a polished, custom-made appearance. And another way to add luxury is through accessories. Choose elegant pieces such as pearl earrings, a delicate bracelet, or a sophisticated hair accessory. Quality accessories often make a bigger impact than wearing too many pieces at once. Your veil can also transform your look. A cathedral-length veil, a veil with subtle lace detailing, can instantly make a simple dress feel more dramatic and elegant. And honestly, your bouquet plays a major role too. A bouquet made with beautiful flowers such as roses, orchids, or peonies can enhance your entire bridal look and add a luxurious touch. And please don't overlook your hairstyle. A polished updo, soft waves, or a classic chignon can make your overall appearance feel refined and sophisticated. Shoes matter as well, since wedding photos often capture small details. Elegant bridal shoes can contribute to a high-end look. And finally, you need to keep your styling balanced. A simple dress already has timeless beauty, so avoid overwhelming it with too many accessories or dramatic details. Making a simple A-line wedding dress look expensive is all about focusing on fit, quality, and thoughtful styling. With the right accessory, bouquet, veil, and confidence, your gown can look absolutely stunning and luxurious. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.